Okay guys, this was the veggie patch. So I've taken the fences down, took the shade cloth off. The cabbages that are left have been packed into bags, and this will be where the new aviary is going. So holes are dug for poles, and yeah, we'll keep the chilies, so it'll go inside, so it'll be just inside there. I also took the irrigation out, so it's a bit noisy because all the cockatoos are, it's about sundown, so everyone's going crazy. So yeah, it'll be this wide, go along there, yep. So yeah, poles will go in tomorrow, and then what I'm going to use, the irrigation pipes that were for the veggies, I'm going to put across the roof for when it's summer, and then the guys can get mist sprayed. So yeah, there we go. So we had veggies and then we'll have to make the new veggie thing over there, but anyway, so all systems go.